Here I have iPhone Air, and let me show you how to stop sharing location with somebody on the following device. Let's begin. At the very beginning, let's find my application. It's right here. This is like this green icon. Here you should see the list of people that you are sharing location. In my case, let me choose the first one. You can do here a few interesting things. Let's scroll down. You can, for example, request location of the following person, but you can also choose stop sharing my location. So in my case, let me use this option here. You have to be aware that stop sharing location will stop sharing location immediately. So let's just be aware of this, and let's tap this red button again. And that's it. As you can see, this person disappeared from the following list, so you don't share location with the following person. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.